In this lesson, we will discuss pH and pOH. The pH scale and the pOH scale measure the acidity or basicity of a solution. For the pH scale, the range is 0 to 14. 7 is neutral. Anything less than 7 is acidic. Anything greater than 7 is basic. The lower your pH is, the more acidic. The higher the pH is, the more basic. Here's the pH scale with some common substances. Notice the things that we clean with are on the basic end, like soap and ammonia, drain cleaner. Some people even clean with baking soda. And then on the left side, on the acidic side, you see a lot of, well, things that you think about as being acidic, right? Like, well, of course, hydrochloric acid, lemon, vinegar, tomato, those things we think of being kind of acidic. To calculate pH, we take the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. If you remember the Arrhenius definition of acids, they produce hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Or the Bronsted-Lowry definition says that acids are proton or hydrogen ion donors. Concentration is measured with something called molarity. It is the moles of the solute, so the moles of the acid or base, or any solute in general, per liter of solution. So units are moles per liter, or we just use a capital letter M to stand for moles per liter. You've probably heard of pH, but you may not have heard of pOH. To calculate pOH, it's the negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration in solution. Here's how pH and pOH are related. Say you have a pH of 1. On the pOH scale, that is a pOH of 13. You have a higher concentration of hydrogen ion, especially with a pH of 1, and you have a lower, much lower concentration of hydroxide. If you take the pH for a solution and add its pOH, the sum is always 14. So let's try a couple of problems. Vegetable juice has a hydrogen ion concentration of 7.3 times 10 to the negative fifth moles per liter, or we say molar. We want to know what the pH is, what the pOH is, and if vegetable juice would be acidic, basic, or neutral. pH is the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. So in your calculator, you're going to type in negative and then hit the log key, 7.3 times 10 to the negative fifth. You should get a pH of 4.1. There is a sig fig rule for logarithms, but we're not going to do that. No units on pH. With a pH of 4.1, that means vegetable juice is in the acid range. We'd also like to find the pOH. For any solution, the pH plus the pOH adds up to 14. So if we subtract 4.1 from 14, we get a pOH of 9.9. So pH of 4.1, pOH of 9.9, and an acidic solution. Next up, chocolate milk has a hydroxide ion concentration of 2.2 times 10 to the negative eighth molar. We want the pOH, the pH, and if it's acidic, basic, or neutral. pOH is the negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration. On your calculator, punch in the negative log of 2.2 times 10 to the negative eighth. You get a pOH of 7.7. For the pH, remember if we take 14 and we subtract off the pOH, that will give us the pH, which is 6.3. That makes chocolate milk just slightly acidic, just under 7. And finally, black coffee has a hydroxide ion concentration of 1.3 times 10 to the negative ninth molar. We want the pH and to know if it's acidic, basic, or neutral. pH is the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration, which we do not have. However, with the hydroxide ion concentration, we can calculate pOH and then subtract from 14 to get the pH. So in your calculator, the negative log of 1.3 times 10 to the negative ninth will give you a pOH of 8.9. And then we'll take 14 and subtract 8.9 to get the pH of 5.1. With a pH of 5.1, that makes black coffee slightly acidic. So hopefully now you know how to calculate pH and pOH and determine if a solution is acidic, basic, or neutral.